Hey, this is Keith from Tree Matrix. Today we're going to talk about measuring a tree using two measuring tools. One is a diameter tape you can buy through specialty catalogs. The other is just a standard carpenter's tape that you can use to measure tree diameter. But tree diameter is critical because that's how we estimate the critical root zone size of these trees. So for the first one, I'll walk around the tree, put the hook in the tree. This tree measures 32 inches in diameter. So even though I've wrapped the tape around the tree, it's giving me a diameter measurement. You can also use the carpenter's tape to spread across the tree at 32 inches right there. So that's how you would do it if you don't have a diameter tape. So why is that important? Well, Tree Matrix will help you determine the critical root zone size internally. It'll calculate it when you put the diameter of the tree into the program. For this tree, 32-inch diameter equates to roughly 48 feet radially in every direction. So I'll walk off 48 feet and give you a sense of how big the critical root zone of this tree is. So I've just walked off the radial distance for the critical root zone of this tree, which is 48 feet. I'm now 48 feet radially from that tree. So this really is the outer limits of what we consider the critical root zone of this tree. But you would draw this circle all the way around this tree on all sides. You start to get a sense of the enormity of the root system for this tree. This tree's been here for quite a while. This is the area that we're trying to preserve during construction projects. So through Tree Matrix, you can determine the survivability, likelihood of the tree based on a number of factors, but one is how much of this critical root zone you're going to lose. But you should take away from this the idea of just how large these root systems are for these big trees.